Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet colorful bag with huge flower. For work you need different colors of yarn, scissors, crochet hook, knitting needles, beads, pins, sewing needles and zipper. Let's get started crocheting. I will begin from the front side. Crochet the foundation chain, make a chain of 53. 3 of them are for the chains to bring up the yarn. Let's crochet the next row. Insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook. Let's check and double crochet into the 4th chain stitch. Then double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Here how it looks. Let's crochet some stitches. Make double crochet 1 and 2. Then I turn the work. Then chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Then double crochet into the each stitch of the previous row. Then you should crochet straight in this way till the 20 centimeters in the height. This swatch should be 20 centimeters. I have done my swatch. Here how it looks. I have done 23 rows. Now I'm going to work with degrees. For this I turn the work. Then I'm going to do double crochet 2 together, then chain of 2, 1, 2, yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the next stitch. I do not finish this stitch, then make the second double crochet. I do not finish this stitch and pull through all loops on the hook. I have done double crochet 2 together. Then you should crochet just double crochet straight into the each stitch of the previous row, and you should leave 3 stitches before the finishing of this row, and so on. Now I show you how to complete this row, and now I'm making double crochet 3 together. I left 3 stitches before the finishing this row. And now make double crochet 3 together. Make the first one, make the second one, and the third one. We have 4 loops on the hook, then yarn over, pull through. My row is ready. Now let's crochet the next row. I turn the work, then chain of 2 to bring up the yarn. Then double crochet 2 together. Make the first one, make the second one. We have 3 loops on the hook and pull through. In total it should be 6 rows with decreases. You should make decrease in the same way as I showed you in the previous row and this row. I'm about to complete row 6 with decreases. Make the first one, make the second one, make the third one, and pull through all loops on the hook. I have already cut off the yarn and pull it. And as you can see, here are my 6 rows with decreases. At the beginning I did double crochet 2 together, and at the end of this row I crocheted double crochet 3 together. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My corner is ready. I have done 2 parts. Here how it looks. This is the side part of my bag. I did the foundation chain made of chain of 6, and you should crochet lace made of double crochet stitches. The length of this lace should be 64 centimeters. After I have done my side part, length of it is 64 centimeters, and I divide this lace on 2 parts. Each small piece consists of 3 double crochet. Now I show you how to join 2 details together. I take one part and side part. I put my details on the pattern. The small piece of the lace put on the upper part. They are the creases in this case. Now I take my crochet hook and yarn, and now I show you how to join 2 details together. Insert the hook into the stitch and insert the hook into the stitch of the lace. Take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain, insert the hook into the stitch of the swatch, insert the hook into the stitch of the lace, and make single crochet. So make single crochet into each stitch of the lace and my swatch. Like this. Here what we have. This is the side seam. I'm about to complete the joining. Now I show you how to join the bottom and the upper part. Insert the hook into this way and make single crochet. Insert the hook between stitches. Insert the hook into the stitch of the lace, like this, and make single crochet. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Let's make the last one. I have done my joining. Insert the hook from the back, take the working yarn, pull it through like this, and I insert the hook from the back and take the working yarn, pull it through. So let's repeat again. In this way I removed my yarn. Here what I have, it is going to be a funny bag with flower. Then you should sew 2 pieces together. It will be small part of the lace and the side part of the bag. So I will sew this part. Of course, for my bag I'm going to use zipper, so I will work with sewing needle and thread. Now I put one side of the zipper into the inside part and sew 2 pieces together. With the needle go through the stitches and go through the zipper. work with last stitches like this. Like this. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I have sewn my zipper to my back, and here how it looks. Now I'm making handle. For the handle I'm going to knit. For this I take socks needle, cast on 5 stitches. I'm using double yarn. I move my loops. I knit all stitches in this way. Knit all stitches. Well done. I don't turn the work. I just move my swatch to the beginning. I put my thread to the beginning of the work and knit all stitches in this way. By the end you will get simple handle made of cord. I don't turn the work and move this piece to the beginning of the needle and knit all stitches. So here what we have, this is the back side. As you can see, this is a little bit wrap on the back side, so it will be a round cord. It should be 87 centimeters. I have done my cord. Here how it looks. I have sewn my handle to the both sides of the back. Here how it looks. As you notice, my back is ready, and now I show you how to crochet the decoration for this bag. For this part of the bag, I choose a huge flower. How to make such flower can be found in tutorial 8. I put this flower on one side, and you should sew flower to the one side of the bag. For more beautiful look, I will crochet a leaf for my handle. I did chain of 6. Now chain through to bring up the yarn 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook and insert the hook into the 4th chain stitch away from the hook and make double crochet. And double crochet into the next chain stitch. Then I turn the work. Chain of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook and make double crochet into the 4th chain stitch. Then 2 double crochet into the next stitch. Make double crochet twice into the chain stitch. I turn the work, chain 2 to bring up the yarn 1, 2, make double crochet 2 together, make the first one, make the second one, and pull through 2 loops. Pull through all loops on the hook. Make double crochet 3 together. Make the second stitch, the third one, and pull through all loops on the hook. I have done the first leaf, then I'm going to move down to the first row. For this I'm using slip stitches. Make a slip stitch into the chain stitch like this. Make a slip stitch into each stitch. Now make the second leaf, yarn over the hook. I insert the hook into the base of the stitch, make double crochet. Now yarn over the hook, make double crochet into the next chain stitch, then yarn over and double crochet into the same, make double crochet into the next chain stitch. I have done 3 stitches. Now I turn the work, make chain 3 to bring up the yarn, make double crochet into the stitch of the previous row, make double crochet into the chain, make double crochet twice into each of next 2 stitches. One, and make the last one. Here what we have, turn the work, chain 2 to bring up the yarn, make double crochet 2 together, first one, the second one, and pull through. Make double crochet 3 together, first one, the second one, the third one, and pull through all loops on the hook. Then you should move down to the beginning with help of the slip stitches as I did before. Then you should crochet 1 more such leaf by yourself. Here what I have, it is beautiful shamrock. Then you should crochet round motif, sew by 2 sides. I measure the same destination by the both sides and put my decoration. I sew all motifs, 3 round pieces on one side and 3 of them on the another side. Here what I have, we have got beautiful funny bag. Thanks for watching and crochet with me.